Hello, I am Sylvia Deye, and I have been a practicing architect for over 30 years. In my investigations as a forensic architect, I study the design, construction, and implementation of building materials and features to help determine what may have been the cause of injuries and building failures. You could say that the built environment and attention to detail is in my DNA. My great-grandfather had a construction company in Philadelphia, known for building schools and bridges. My grandmother went to the University of Pennsylvania to study architecture back in 1928. I grew up in a 200-year-old barn that I helped my dad renovate into our home and his art studio. I learned everything from masonry work to electrical. That hands-on experience landed me a job as a rough framer, building commercial and residential buildings during college. It was important to me to have that hands-on experience using the tools and gaining an in-depth understanding of building materials and sequence to be a better, well-rounded architect. My architectural career has allowed me to implement projects across the United States and remote islands and in Africa. These have ranged from high-end retail, resorts, institutional facilities, industrial and manufacturing, theaters, schools, and residential projects of all sizes. Architects are responsible for the health, safety, and welfare of the general public. And to achieve this requirement, we are deeply involved with every stage of a building project, which many do not realize. Only about 5% of that time is spent on the design. The rest is developing and coordinating construction documents with all the professions, implementing a variety of building materials, following the codes and manufacturer's requirements, and working with the contractors in the field. Outside of my forensic casework, I remain current in my field by providing architectural services. I am also an active member of ASTM, where I have helped author new standards. I have spent my life studying, designing, and working on the built environment, and it's exciting to still be able to learn and expand on those skills. Every case I work on is a new opportunity to dig into the details, which is really what we as architects have been trained to do best, and that is to solve problems.